Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Exploring Operating Systems. We will be taking a look at another PowerPoint styled project that is made to look like an operating system, and this, as you can see here, is Luna 4. This was referred to by a kind user, Project PowerPoint Studios. Haha. Now I've already had a little bit of a toy about this, but only just a slight bit. This is still a bit new to me, so we'll try and see how good this is. And based on my initial experience of playing about this, it seems pretty good. If only the amount of people that would put so much effort into these projects through PowerPoint would put their efforts into designing actual software of that caliber, or at least Visual Studio based stuff. But this is still quite good as well, but we'll take a look at it. It's got an emulated setup experience. You seem to be a new user here. You'll need an account to use Luna 4. I will set up an account, why not? Create a password. Do you want... What the heck? Oh wow. Yeah, so actually changes colour to tell you that, oi, your password's not consistent. But that's just my password right there, that I use for testing every kind of little thing. So we will save that. Oh god, do I really have to fill this in? Hopefully it'll be happy with this. What is it? What's it? What? What's the difference between address and mail? Oh, that's home address. Sorry, getting a bit daft there. Hello. Hello Street. 123 Hello Street. There we go. Yeah. Ricky at email thingy.com. Now, I hope this isn't a real number, but it's just a random thing I just put in. This is not a real number as far as I'm aware. This is just text on the keyboard right that second. But we will get onto that, and hopefully we will get into it and see what that information does. You're finished. Now you can log in with your password and username. You can customize. Correction, it's customize. C-U-S. The background when you're logged in. Fair enough. Ooh, fancy. Nice login screen. So it's 0106. You don't need to know this stuff. But Ricky No Name. It's got a kind of login screen like that seen on Windows 10, which is kind of funny. That is actually quite a nice wee thing. I don't know how you're capable of doing this, but it's a nice little add-on thing. Ricky at emailthingy.com. I wonder if that actually synchronizes my information. So I hope, yeah, remember my password. So let's see what that. Oh, hi Ricky. Nice to meet you too, Luna 4. Now, it's funny. If you look at the dock right here, there's some inconsistency. If you go to the welcome page at the very start of this episode, you will notice that the little the thumbnail representing the desktop right here, the dock is different. You've got this little midsection right here. Midsection, is that really a good thing to say? I'm not sure. Got this little thing here which I think opens the apps view. Yeah, it does. Oh, nice animation. So go back to desktop, power settings search. Kind of like a kind of start screen from Windows 8 that I shall not mention, but here we go. There's a lot of stuff to get through, so this will be another long episode. But we will take a look first of all. Let's take a look at some of the stuff that we have on here in full. So we've got Luna Office, Right Account Show, so that's kind of like a PowerPoint kind of thing. I always find it quite fascinating. A little PowerPoint emulated thing within PowerPoint is kind of a nice little funny inception thing going on. count, which is kind of like an Excel thing, and then write, which is basically just like Microsoft Word or a document writer of some kind. You got a music app. Oh, is that the name of the folders, or is that the name of the actual applications? We'll get there soon. Discover, which I think, if I remember correctly, this is actually used, and it's all about the web from the Midtown series of PowerPoint operating systems. So you've got Paint as well, which I kind of like that icon. It's kind of like that little thing you use to paint the walls. Calculator, sticky notes, Stir, and then people, news, and all that kind of lovely stuff. I wonder what the news thing does. We'll get to that in short notice. So we'll start off with the Write application. So you're at this welcome screen. It's got an offering of 2 documents that you can use. So let's take a look at the first document. Oh, hello. Oh, haha. Something left over from testing that I may have or may not have left there intentionally. So there you go. Boing. So let's take a look at this. So basically, if you were using this on your desktop, it's quite easy to make people think that you're actually running an actual operating system from kind that's not a Windows-based thing, and it'd be like, what are you using? It's just like, oh, it's just this document writer, this thing called Luna. Try to search it, it's just like, oh, it's a PowerPoint thing. Haha, be quite fun. So what is this file button? Oh, that goes at the file view. So you can choose from different fonts. I'm just going to type in something random. Remember this from high school. I'm not sure if I've spelled it right, but it'll be used as a nice test or text. So you go for font. So this is Arial, which is already in, or is it? Did it just change? I can't remember. Didn't notice. Bodoni, MT. Right, so that's that. Nice choice of fonts, even though it's a little small. Symbol. That's quite weird. Alignment. So left, center, right. I think it's just like one letter. You could probably use symbols for this, but use center, right. Yeah, it's clever. We can see what it is, kind of thing. But I think there's probably a lot of characters you can get on the character map for Windows you can use for this. So you've got effects, B for bold, of course, and you've got italics and then underlines. What is R? I'm not sure what R is. I'm a bit confused there. Never seen R before. That to me would probably be S, but I'm not sure. I wonder what that actually does. But we'll go for bold, italics, underline. Oh, that might be a reset button. Interesting. So we can change the size. So I'll see if I can highlight that. No. I'll set it to 12. See what that does. Oh, you have to do it manually. So what if I do 40 and you have to press OK, and whoa, that is huge. D. What does D mean? I don't know. So file goes back to the main thing. So you've got insert a name, address, address, mail, and phone. Oh, so this might be the stuff that's been cached when I was on setup. So we'll go for the name. So that's my name. So we'll go for insert everything right here. I'm just going to write a short little letter to somebody. Beep, 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 beep. Of course, the writer thingamabobber is kind of comparable to trying to write a letter in Microsoft Notepad, which is not feasible, but we can try anyways. To the channel, please remember to like and subscribe. There we go. That's a personal letter to everybody watching this. Please do what this letter says. I demand you. Nah. But it's there if you want it. But anyway, but yes, that is the letter thing. So we'll add some more stuff back in here, just so we can see some text going on the screen. No name. That changes the background or the page to different colours. Sorry for making you a little bit sick in this kind of thing. I'm not trying to do it too fast, but hopefully no one is epileptic here or too sensitive to this. What? Fair enough. Clear. Reset. Fair enough. And you can name the document as well. I'll name this Ricky's letter. So that'll be okayed or KO'd. We'll go back to files. Oh, that is nice. That is a nice thing right there. And of course it'll be the same for document 2, I suppose. Then they close that. What does minimize do? Did that just come up with the welcome to Luna 4? Fair enough. Kind of like a kind of Windows notification thing going on right there. What is this? I wonder if that actually caches the fact that, well, or knows the fact that it's in the memory kind of thing. That's actually quite a nice little thing. Eng Wi-Fi, which I hope is on. Test your connection. It is good to go. Whoa, what happened there? It sent me to the apps view, and you've got the search function. Use search or use Syra. I don't want to use my voice right now, so requested search not found. I wouldn't actually blame anyone for thinking that this was actually a real operating system, because it actually is really nicely built. Wow, that is actually really smart. Of course, I've got to mention you've got the name of the operating system or thingamajig you're using, and then you've got the clock in the centre. So let's see other things you can see here. Welcome to Luna 4. Edit this sticky note. Oh, I think I've seen this before. This kind of feature right here. That's actually quite nice. I think you could probably redo that. The Luna thing in the corner, can maybe replace it with your own name or such. So count or Excel, I think. Enter a title here. Of course, this wouldn't actually work as a real thing either, but it's always nice to test it out and see what it does. I like the Luna Office logo right here. It's quite smart. Alright, fair enough. I don't know what to type in. Hello. Of course, I'm doing this all off the cuff, so I'm just like, there we go. There, that's my calculation. Haha. And of course, you can just do the exact same. You can name it whatever you like. So this is Ricky's spread sheet. I was going to just name it spread. I'm going to keep it spreadsheet. I'm going to see if any letters get cut off in the main area right here. Oh no, it doesn't. That wow. Wow. You do not know just how. You know, I'm just like wowed by this. All of this work, I swear, and there's only one slideshow thing on here. And of course, it looks like Microsoft PowerPoint or some kind of third-party presentation software. So enter a title. So this is. We'll do it for the name of the channel. No. This is Channel 13 by Aontri Media. Haha. And you can change the font as well. What does this do? Oh no. Why does that only change the font? Meh. And then you've got different slide. Ooh. This is awesome. Picture effect. Stretch. Hang on, so can you actually use a different picture? Hope I've not got anything too sensitive on there. Take your time. Take your time. We'll use this cat meme. Peter was in town the other day protesting the abuse of animals and handing out stickers. I gave one to my cat. I have no idea why I've got this on my hard drive, but I do. It's interesting what you can find on my computer. But this is just a thing about cats and a thingamabobber. There you go. So there we go. And then what is it? Oh, this is like additional stuff you can add in. So bleh, if you like, and then just change the fonting. Is that even a word? And then this is what I'm going to call this. I'm just going to call it Channel Prez or My Prezi. I'll put a Z in there just to make it more fancy. So that is that. So that's okayed, and we'll close that. Oops, I broke something. I broke it. I broke a thingy. Ah! I broke it. Private label. Oh well. Oh, can I close this? Please. Yes, I can. Did it save? No, it didn't. Okay, fair enough. What is information? Is this information? Aye. Basically, it's just showing you the version number and so forth. Quite smart. Quite a smart little window, and that goes for the same for other things, I suppose. Yeah, just the same. This kind of reminds me a little bit about Presentation. Why am I going back onto here? This is the web browser, Luna Discover, and of course I did just say this reminds me of Presentation OS, and now I know why. So we'll go to enter the web. deltatechnologies.weblade.com. Visit their website if you want to download this thingamabobber right here. Omega Technologies. If the guy who cancelled the Presentation project moved on and did this instead, I swear, because it's just too close of a copy for my liking. What's the difference between that and that? Oh, the icons, fair enough. Some of them are customised, I suppose. Quite nice. Concepts. Rocket. Whatever that is. Kaboom. Coming very soon. Of course it would. And then you can visit the YouTube channel, support the guy through there, and test us out if you like. That's deltatechnologies.weebly.com about HTML. So that's how you get to that. I'm going to try and find out to see if YouTube works on this, because of course Internet Explorer is now not supported. And it works like a charm. Fair enough. A little bit on the slow side, probably just because it's lagging, but hey, it works. It just works, which is the motto for Apple. Take a look at this calculator. We'll go to the paint later on. So calculator. So 85 divided by 3 is 28.333 infinity. Paint. And it's got the same kind of look and feel as the Office application. So I'll just draw something right here. I don't know what I'm writing, so I'm just going to keep doing. Stop. Erase. This is so smart. What? I know. Right, I'll draw something, and then I'll see what this thingamabobber does. What the heck? What does this do? It doesn't do nothing. There we go. Well, that works. Music. As far as I remember, there is actually, there's built-in music to this. Rebirth, Resonati. I'm not too sure if I want to play any of this. I'll play one, but I'm pretty sure I'll get copyright claimed. Let Her Go by Passenger. I'm not very heard of that one, so. Stop and then stop. Right, we'll try this again. Now I'm not sure if you can actually hear this. I probably got it muted, the desktop part muted and everything else, but we'll see it in a bigger view, and I might be able to add this in post. So that is it in full view, and then of course the same for the rest. So about the music app, blah 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 blah. Just have a read of that before I click away and import music. Not now. Nice stock animation there. That's not even appeared yet. Images. Let's take a look at this. You've got a little view thing going on here, and as I say, this does kind of remind me of Presentation OS. If you've seen that little series I've done on Series 1, take a look at that, because you'll see that at least edition 6 to 8, the final one, they at least shared some concepts right here, which is quite fun. So you've got a little thumbnail view in the corner, you've got thumbnails, and then you've got this, and you can scroll through them, and I think use this desktop background. Oh, can you not? Oh, that's the full view. That is me just being a little bit daft. Nice Eiffel Tower. Meow. Rainforest and nice cityscape. But yeah, that's that. So you've got this information right here. Feel free to read it if you like. I'm going to click away from that now, and we'll go into the movies area. Luna 4 teaser. Let's take a look at this. Can I play it through here? What? Oh, something's broken, Chief. Right, we'll go back onto here. We'll go into full view. Ah! And it's not showing either. Now, of course, I'm not sure if you can actually hear what just went on, but it literally scared me, as you probably heard. We'll go into full view and see if this plays. Nah. Of course, I presume that it might actually play in some way, shape or form, but we'll go into the store area. Oh, nice. So you've got two new applications. You've got the Notepad or word processor, or travel through why is travel... What? Travel is entertainment. Well, travel is its own different thing, especially in other app stores, but meh. Sometimes travel isn't really entertaining, sometimes you do it for business and everything else. So, Notepad, download, and of course it's got a progress bar going on. Why? That's funny. And Notepad was successfully installed. I honestly am telling the truth when I say this is a PowerPoint presentation. It boggles my mind the amount of work goes into this. So sticky notes. So you've got a log on screen 1. So I'm just like, hello. I'm actually going to keep that W in there just to make it more distinctive. Hello, this is OS Chronicles. No, it's not. That's an old channel that this series was based on. OS Explorations. Explorations. And what about this? We'll go for, I don't know, this is Sparta. For any people who like memes out there, there you go. So we'll go into the apps view. Haha, this is Sparta. So we'll go to log out, I suppose, if I can. Can I log out? Can I go? Can I please log out? So you can change the back. This is basically just a simple background or settings area. So you've got change the background, change my info, which fair enough. System, your system, and then 4.2 collision. What? And then manage account. So you can add a new one. Fair enough. So change the desktop background. You can change it in the Pictures app. So let's see what I can change it to. We'll change it to an Eiffel Tower because I like the Eiffel Tower. I like to be Eiffel. It is an Eiffel. Get it? An Eiffel? The puns. It did not change. Why did it change? I forget that. Eiffel Tower Chief. Eiffel Tower. It's not changed, I don't think. No, it's not changed. It's still quite a nice little thing. I'm not going to give it nothing else. That's the sticky notes. Why is it a post-it note. It's not a post-it note. Why is it a speech bubble? Should be a post-it note of some kind. So people, empty contact. Wow. Fair enough. And then you've got a folder area for viewing your documents, supposedly. L4D home. Fair enough. And Luna View, Discover, Calculator. We've been through this. Go for the news app because I'm quite curious by this. Fair enough. It sends you to different sources. I want to go for BBC News because I don't care about anything else. I mean, you probably have your own preferences as well. That is completely fine. I just think that, despite the fact people consider BBC biased, I don't completely think so myself compared to other stations. Which is probably going to get people annoyed in the comments, but fair enough. I like to know what people's opinions are anyway, so it's fine. So MSN Weather, BBC Weather, AccuWeather, and the Weather Channel. So the tub of views, which is probably what you're watching right now if you can get this video, unless you're watching somewhere else, which please report this if you do. So it's quite a basic looking YouTube. Of course, I'm not logged in, so that explains why. It's quite a basic view of YouTube, and of course it's the classic one, not the modern one, as you can probably see. Why did Napoleon invade Russia? I have no idea. You tell me. So Spotify. I've actually got a £10 gift card that I've not even used. I'm not even sure if it goes out of date or what. And of course, because it's Internet Explorer, it's not going to load properly. You can kind of see how it's just a little dodgy on here. So get Spotify free, and then Skippy. We always like our Skippies. Oh, browser not supported. Get it for desktop. Well, that's broken. It's broken. Kind of funny. Are you okay? It is just, maybe it's trying to emulate the fact that it's maybe crashed in some way. I don't know. Maybe it's just unstable on purpose. I'm not sure. But there we are. Jabba jabba jabba. Hello. So there we go. That is Luna Dock. This is Luna, and hopefully I can. Okay. Something is screwy here.
There's something awfully screwy going on around here.
I'll reset this and see if it actually works. So I'll log out. Does this actually work? Oh, do you notice this? This is actually animating. That's actually quite a smart thing. And of course it's dodgy. Of course it's playing up. Right. So I'll go back out. I'll escape out of this. Now, I don't know what I've done, but apparently the animation has started to fail. I don't know how this guy has been able to program this presentation, but right now it's completely went down the gutter from here. I don't know what's going on here, but something's not right. But yeah, up to this point, it was quite a good little thing to look at, and thank you to the person who recommended I take a look at this project, PowerPoint operating system, I think it was. I've already forgotten the username. I do apologise, but thanks for watching, and feel free to enjoy this little mishap that I may have caused myself. But thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and like the video. And also, anything I've said in the video that might be wrong, anything you want to say, anything, if you want to recommend another product I take a look at, please feel free to do so. I'm quite interested to take a look at some of the stuff you recommend. And also, if you do like the channel enough, or if you want to give even more love, I do have a Patreon account which I just literally credited halfway through the episode, so if you can, if you can't, that's fine, but if you can, $1 a month is completely okay. But if you can help in that way, it's fine, but if you can't, just share the video if you like, and if you do enjoy it, please subscribe and like the video. Thanks very much for watching. This is Ricky, and thanks for watching Exploring Operating Systems. I will get back to you next time. Bye.